This is Mark Johnson, your fitness ambassador from Bounce Pep and the youngest son of Bill Johnson. Once again, I'm here to talk to you about something important. I want you to hit the like button. Before you forget to do so, go ahead and hit that now, please. And also hit the bell so that you receive notifications when a new video is released. So, today, I want to talk to you about some of the reasons why you might want to keep yourself in shape. But among those reasons, I want to talk to you about the health aspect, okay? So, people have different reasons for wanting to get in shape. Some people just want to be able to play with their kids. They just want to get in better shape so that they're not all creaky and rickety, and they can run around outside with their kids and play. Fantastic. Some people want to get in shape because they want to look cute. I mean, we've all seen the people prancing and posing, in front of the camera. I don't care. Hey, as long as they're in shape, I'm happy. So that turns them on, good for them. Some people want to get in shape because they want to be able to travel and they want to have the energy, and the mobility to just move freely, go where they want to go, when they want to do it. Okay, that's another thing. Some people want to get in shape because they just want to be strong. We've seen those people. Some people just want to be big and strong. And that is perfectly fine too. But I want to talk about just the aspect of health. So another reason that you want to get in shape is to stay healthy. I think especially for people who are a bit older, it is very, very important to get in shape, more so for the health and energy aspect of it. And I'm going to just speak on the health aspect here. I always say the hospital is for the birds. I do not want to go to the hospital for anything. If I have a regularly scheduled physical, that's fine. That's going to the hospital just as a preventive measure. You go and check with your physician, get some basic tests done, and make sure that nothing is amiss or problematic. So I'm not talking about a physical. I'm talking about when you have some kind of an illness or an ailment that requires you to go into a hospital and get treatment and take medications and shots and this and that and the third. That's for the birds. Look, I don't wish it on myself, and I certainly don't wish it for anyone else. So what you want to do is minimize the likelihood that you will need to go to the hospital in the first place. You don't want to be going to the hospital and then going to the pharmacy filling prescriptions for a bunch of medications that you are jamming down your throat, or shots that you're jamming into your arm, for some ailment that you could have prevented if you had just stayed in better shape. So one of the key reasons to stay in shape: work out, exercise, get outside, jog, get on a trampoline, jump around, go to the gym, lift some weights, get on the treadmill. Just keep a regular schedule of exercise and fitness is to keep yourself out of the hospital. You do not want to be talking to doctors all the time about this and that, and it hurts here, and I don't know what's wrong here. That is it's not a good way to live. So go, get up, exercise, work out, keep yourself in good shape, keep yourself strong, keep your muscles and your bones strong. Keep your immune system strong. Stop eating things habitually that you know are terrible for your health. I'm not saying that you can't have treats. That's fine. You can have a treat sometimes. But just habitually eating things that are terrible for your health and you know they are, try to cut that out. Keep yourself in good health, because it is not fun when you are on a bunch of pills and medications and treatments and your mood is affected, your mobility is affected. You can't do the things that you want to do anymore. You can't do them freely anymore. That is no fun. And most certainly, sitting in hospital, looking out, in the hospital bed, looking out the window, that is no fun. So you want to minimize the risk of having health issues by keeping yourself in shape. That's all I have to say today. Take that and run with it. Please keep yourself healthy. Exercise. Do what you have to do. But don't wind up in the hospital for things that you could have prevented if you had simply been more mindful about your fitness. Everybody, this is a positive message I want you to take to heart. And I want you to work on your fitness and your mind, okay? So that you keep yourself in good spirits, have energy, and that you live well. Bye now.